we have subtraction of rational numbers. We use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So when we have subtraction, we copy first number, we change subtraction to addition, and we add opposite to the second number. As subtraction, we change to addition, and opposite to 3.2 is negative 3.2. So this is equal. Now we have to add two negative numbers. We know how to do this. We copy negative sign and we just add these two numbers, 0.4 plus 3.2. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. What we can do here, we have 0 whole number plus 3, so it will be 3, decimal point we copy. 4 plus 2 is 6, we add tenths. Or you can rewrite this, that this is 0.4 plus 3.2, and now maybe it will be easier to add these two decimal numbers. We add tens to tens, ones to ones, we copy decimal point. So 4 plus 2 is 6, we copy decimal point, 0 plus 3 is 6, so we got the same, 3.6. Next, we have subtraction. So how we do subtraction of rational numbers? The same like subtracting of integers. So we copy first number and change subtraction to addition, and we add opposite number. Opposite to negative 7.9 is 7.9. So this is equal, or you can memorize negative sign and negative give you always positive. So we have negative and negative is positive. And now we have to remember that when we have to add one negative number, one positive, first we forget about negative sign and we compare these two numbers, 13.5 and 7.9, which is greater. 13.5 is greater. So next step, we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign, we open parentheses, and we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite, and we have subtraction 13.5 minus 7.9. 5 minus 9 we cannot do, so we will borrow 1 from 3. So it will be 2, and now we have 15 at the end. 15 minus 9 is 6. We copy decimal point. 2 minus 7 we cannot do, so we borrow 1 from tens. So here will be now 0, and we have 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. So we have 5.6, negative 5.6. So next example, we have subtraction. Like I said, we use the same rule like for subtracting integers. So we change subtraction to addition, opposite number. So we copy 7.8, we change subtraction to addition, and we have to add opposite numbers. So opposite to negative 2.5 is 2.5. So we have addition of two positive numbers, or we will memorize this, that two negative signs give you positive. So negative and negative, we can rewrite that this is positive. So we have 7.8 plus 2.5. 8 plus 5 is 13, so we have 3, and we add 1 to ones. We copy the decimal point. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So we have 10.3. This is my solution.